beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing this makeup look which is inspired by the season. It's the season of fall, so you got to do something to represent the season. So I started off by going into my Kylie palettes, and I've started off by using this burgundy shade. So I'm just going to place that color, and I sprayed my brush with my Smashbox setting spray just to make sure that that color is even more pigmented. Okay, so I'm just going to place that there, try to just dab it in, then after that go ahead to blend it. After that, I went into this burnt orange shade, and I'm just going to try to blend that first shade that I applied. And throughout this eyeshadow look, you're going to see me going back and forth trying to blend and build the colors together, because I really wanted it to be smooth and nice, to have a nice transition. So I kept on going back and forth with the colors just to arrive at my desired look. So it depends on you. You're just going to keep building on the colors, and for this look you're going to need different eyeshadow brushes, because it's going to be a hot mess if you just use maybe a single brush, and hope you understand, but I don't think it's going to look good. You need at least 2 eyeshadow blending brushes or more. So I'll just keep going back and forth, blending and packing on the colors now. So if you're new to my channel, do want to click down below on the subscribe button. Tell me the type of looks you want to see on my channel, and I'll be sure to deliver them to you. Okay, and if you're enjoying this video so far, do want to give it a thumbs up and join the family. I'm just going to blend. After that, I went into this matte orange eyeshadow, and I'm just going to go the top part around my brow bone, and I'm just going to blend and make sure that everything looks nice and smooth. So like you see, I did the other side of my eye off camera just because I was trying to create a look, and I didn't want the video to be so long, so I created the look and I'm trying to recreate it on the other side of my eye. You just keep blending and blending. Remember, for eyeshadow looks, for makeup, blending is key. Blending should be your bestie. You should just blend and blend. Okay, I'm just going to keep going back again with all the colors that I use for transition and building up colors. I used 3 colors, just 3 colors. Then I went into this white concealer. I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow base for the color today. If you don't know, the concealer that is kind of on the white side, or the white, has a white base, you help the color pop even more. So I'm just going to use this concealer. It's actually the first time I'm using it, and it's really it dries matte and it's nice, and it's not from a popular brand. I'm sure this concealer is from a Nigerian brand. I'm just going to check the name of the concealer and link it down below. So I'm going back again with all the other colors, and I'm just going to blend out my crease. I just cut my crease, so I'm just going to blend that all in. If you want a very detailed eyeshadow look, how to do a cut crease look, let me know. Then I went into this eyeshadow palette. A small mini palette I got. It really has no name aside that eyeshadow palette. I wonder if that makes sense. So I went into this orange shade, an orange shimmer shade, and I'm just going to apply that. Thereafter, I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty rose gold palette. Like, I love this palette. If you have been my channel, you know I really love this palette. I literally use it all the time. Like, the colors are pigmented, everything is just nice. You can create so many looks from this palette. So I went into the shade, oh, I'm losing the names. Okay, I went to the shade 24K, and I'm just going to apply that around my inner tear dot. I'm going to apply that and then blend. And you see the look is coming in together. I applied my falsie, my eyelashes off camera, just so you know, lashes make everything pop. And I'm going to be bringing a very detailed eyelash application video, how to apply false lashes. Then I went into this rose gold 24K infused beauty oil. This is the first time I'm using beauty oil. Yeah, don't judge me, it's the first time and it's really nice. After that, I went to my NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator, and I'm just going to blend that into my skin. Yeah, I know my face is looking all messed up with the pimples and all. I'm having breakouts because it's that time of the month, but I still have to bring videos for you, so just excuse the pimples, the acne, and just focus on the video. No, pimples cannot stop our shine. We shine. We slay all day, all year. Yeah, we stay winning. I'm just going to blend that. And for foundation, I used the L'Oreal foundation in the shade C8. That's Cocoa. That's what I used. So I'm just going to blend that in. Blend. After that, I went into my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to be mixing it with the shade Fawn just to mix the two together and blend. Have you subscribed? If you are not subscribed, click down below on the subscribe button, and if you like what you're seeing, do also give this video a thumbs up and share. So back to the video. Yes, I'm just mixing the two concealers together, and I'm going to blend with my Master Beauty blender, and we're going to move forward. Okay. After that, I went into this dark foundation. I use it all the time. I'm going to check the shade. I forgot the shade I used, but I think this foundation is After contouring, I'm just going to go back again with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, just to highlight since my face looks dark and it's not compulsory, it's not necessary. I just wanted my face to pop even more, so I went back again. So I like using my LA Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Then again, I'm going to go ahead to blend it. Okay, so I'm just going to let you watch why I blend. After that, I went into my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just going to set my highlighter areas. After that, I went into this LA Pride color, LA Pride powder. It's in the shade Ebony. It's really nice. It's a very nice shade to contour. I advise that you get it. The Studio Fix powder plus foundation. It's really nice. So I just use that to contour. Then I went into this brush. It's from Real Techniques. If you know me, you know most of my brushes are from Real Techniques, and they're really nice. They do a good job, so why not? So I'm just going to blend, and after that I went into my Tara powder. This powder is live. You can use this powder even without applying liquid foundation. It's nice and pigmented, so I'm just going to use it to blend out the highlights. The powder which I used to set, which was looking a little bit white, so I'm just going to blend that together and set the rest of my face. After I'm setting my face with my Smashbox setting spray, and glow time. To glow today, I'm going to be using the NYX Tango with Bronze powder. It's in the shade, what's that? Tribal Audacy, something like that. Yeah. It comes in with different shades, and it's really nice. This is the first time I'm using it, and it was good. Guys, you want to comment down below what you think about this look and how it turned out, if you loved it or not. Let me know, okay? And let me know what you want to see on my channel. And if you love my hair, I'm going to leave the link to my social medias down below. You can get this wig too. Add me up on Snapchat, and let me know if you want to see wig videos as well, hair videos and all those stuff. So add me up, and if you want this wig, do also let me know and I'll have it ready, okay? So since in the same spirit of fall, I went into this burgundy lipstick, and I'm just going to apply that, let it set, let it pop. It's a matte look. So guys, I've come to the end of this tutorial. Hope you loved it. See you on my next one.